Sum to the n terms of some special series. So actually here we are going to learn in this. You know that already sum of the first n. So here three things we are going to learn. One is sum of the first n natural numbers. Means 1 to n numbers. Already just this one we have learned in the arithmetic progression chapter only. In 10th class I told you. There is a one story behind that. This one mathematics teacher has given one work to the students to add 1 to 100 numbers. I told you. Okay. So, and the same concept can be here used to find out the sum of the first n natural numbers. So, from that only we are going to get the sum of the sum of first n natural numbers. So actually that is nothing but 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on n. And this is usually represented by sigma n. Usually it is represented by sigma n, which is equals to what do we get? Do anyone remember? 1 to 100 तक ऐड करना है तो 100 into 101 by 2, right? Simple logic here. Suppose if you are want to add 1, 2, 3, so on till the end. This sum you consider as a Sn. Same sum you as a in a reverse order. n minus 1. इससे पहले वाला. This is n minus 2 and so on till here one. So what you are going to get? If you add these two times of Sn we are going to get. So this and this you add, what do you get? N plus 1. This and this you add, n minus 1 plus 2. Again n plus 1. And every number you are going to get n plus 1. N plus 1 how many times you will get? N times. N plus 1, n times you need to add. So the sum will be equal to n into n plus 1. The sum will is equal to n into n plus 1. This is double times of the sum whatever it is required to us. So from this we are going to get Sn is equals to n into n plus 1 by 2. So the sum of the first n natural numbers formula is n into n plus 1 by 2. So with the help of this you are going to find out the 1 to 100 numbers sum, 1 to first n natural numbers. Here question is what here? Sum of the first n natural. First n natural number means first natural number क्या है? 1. So next natural. So 1 onwards start करना. Sir, suppose if you want to find out the 51 to 100, what to do? Suppose if you want to find out the sum of the numbers from 51 to 100. This is sum of the first n natural. Suppose the question is given to you to find out the sum of the first n natural numbers. Sum of the natural numbers from 51 to 100. 51 to 100 find out करने के लिए. So what to do? 1 to 100 sum find out करो. 1 to 50 100 sum find out करो. ये subtract. 51 to 100 आ जाए. Because 1 to 100 का sum का formula we are having. 1 to 50 का sum we are having. We need 51 to 100 means the same thing should be done. So this is the sum of the first n natural numbers. Second one is sum of the squares of the first n natural numbers. Sum of the squares of the first n natural numbers. Second one is sum of the squares of first n natural numbers. So that is nothing but what here? 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus and so on n square, which is represented by sigma n square. Usually it is represented by sigma n square. Now here to find out this one, we need to consider the one identity. So this is sum of the first n natural numbers. ये prove करने के लिए, this is actually we are having a direct formula, but I am going to give it to you. How do we get? So you consider the one identity. Okay, let us consider. इसको prove करने के लिए consider one identity. Identity is nothing but what? A plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. वो भी identity. Means left hand side, right hand side, both for all the values of k, it should be equal. So that is here we are going to consider the identity as k cube minus k minus 1 whole cube. This is equals to what do you get? Expand करके देखो. When you are expanding this, what do you get? ये इधर k cube हो जाएगा. a minus b whole cube फॉर्मूला क्या है? a cube minus 3a square b is 1 plus 3ab square minus 1. So we are going to get here k cube minus k cube plus 3k square minus 3k plus 1 हो जाए. ये दोनों कैंसिल हो जाए. So we are going to get an identity of k cube minus k minus 1 whole cube is equals to 3k square minus 3k plus 1. This is an identity. इधर k वैल्यू 1 to n सब्स्टिट्यूट कर. k is equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma and so on. n सब्स्टिट्यूट करके देखो. If you are substituting the 1 here, k place में 1 substitute करें, what do you get? 1 cube minus 0 cube is equals to, okay, इधर 1 substitute करना है, 3 into 1 square, 3 into 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 1 we are doing. Isn't it? So now here in the same way, 2 substitute kar. This is when you are substituting the 1. If you are substituting 2, what do you get here? 2 cube minus 1 cube is equals to 3 into 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus 1. If you are substituting the 3 cube minus 2 cube 3 into 3 square minus 3 into 3 plus 1 we are going to get. So like this, one by one you go on substituting. So like this, if you are going on substituting, last what you are going to get n value if you are substituting. What do we get? The k का place में n substitute कर. n cube minus n minus 1 whole cube is equals to 3n square minus 3n plus 1 you are going to get. ये सबको add करो. If you are adding, what do you get? ये पूरा add करो. इधर देखो minus 1 cube plus 1 ये cancel हो जाएगा. Plus 2 cube minus 2 cube cancel हो जाएगा. 3 cube 3 cube 4 cube 4 cube n minus 1 cube तक cancel हो जाएगा. ये 0 बचेगा, ये n cube बचेगा. समझ में आ रहा है ना? If you are adding all, so I am adding all this. So in case if you are adding all that, we are going to left with the n cube minus 0 cube in a left side. Left side is left only with this one. And right hand side what we are going to get it from all this. ये तो सारा चीज को add कर. तो 3 कॉमन लेके 1 स्क्वायर प्लस 2 स्क्वायर प्लस एंड सो ऑन n स्क्वायर लिख सकते हैं ना. ये पहले वाला ऐड कर माइनस 3 इंटू सेकेंड वन ऐड कर ले. सेकेंड नंबर्स मीन्स सेकेंड वन व्हाट डू यू गेट? माइनस ऑफ 3 into 1 minus of 3 into 2 minus of from that all also 3 take the common. So what is left over in the brackets? 1 plus 2 plus and so on till the n is left over. Still what is left over? 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. How many times? n times 1. 1 को n times add कर लिया तो result क्या होगा? n होगा. So this is equals to n. This is what here? Sigma n square. What is this one? Sigma n. So n cube is equals to 3 into sigma n square minus 3 into sigma n plus n. Sigma n we know. We don't want sigma. We want to find out sigma n square. From this sigma n square value आ जाएगा. समझ में आ रहा है ना? So the identity is taken like that. So what do you get here? N cube is equals to sigma into 3n square minus 3 into n into n plus 1 by 2 plus m. All these terms you take it to the left hand side except the sigma n square. ये 3 into sigma n square हमको चाहिए. So this term n cube plus 3 into multiply करो n square plus n by 2 minus n is equals to 3 into sigma n square. सही है ना? समझ में आया? What I did? Just I am proving it. Now here इसको simplify कर by 2 आ जाए. Or you can take one thing you can do it. इधर मैं multiply किया है ना? Don't multiply. इधर n into n plus 1 है ना? इधर भी n है, इधर भी n है. So n common ले. समझ में आ रहा है? And 2 is the LCM. So what is we are going to get here? 2n square आया, isn't it? Plus 3 into n plus 1 आया, because n is taken common. This n is also taken common. Minus 2 बचे is equals to 3 into sigma n square. Just इसको simplify करना. So what do you get here? N into 2n square plus 3n plus 3 minus 2 by 2. ये 3 को भी इधर लेके आओ. Sigma n square. So what do you get here? N into 2n square plus 3n plus 1 by 6 is equals to sigma n square. Sigma n square value है. इसको दोबारा फैक्टराइज यस फैक्टराइज कर सकते. कैन वी फैक्टराइज दिस वन? ये फैक्टराइज कर सकते, बिकॉज दिस को स्प्लिट करके 2n plus 1 लिख सकते हैं. 2n square plus 2n plus n plus 1 by 6 is equals to sigma n square. So what do you get here? N into, from these two 2n you take the common, n plus 1 here, plus 1 you take the common, n plus 1 they are going to get by 6 is equals to sigma n square. From this n plus 1 is common, so n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 is equals to sigma n square. So sigma n square value is what here? This is equals to, formula is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. This is the way, means we have to use the sum of the squares of the first n natural numbers, which is usually represented by sigma n square. समझ में आया ना? Proof. So like this only, sum of the cubes also you can prove it. Sum of the cubes of the first n natural numbers. So here we are taking the k cube minus k minus 1 whole cube, and in that case k plus 1 whole to the power of 4 minus, हम लोग को क्यूब आना चाहिए, क्यूब आना. So that's why everywhere if you are substituting the 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube आना. So क्यूब आने के लिए we need to take the, we need to substitute here, we need to take an identity, एक identity लेना. Okay, समझ में आया ना? So in the same way, this is the sum of the squares of the first n natural numbers. In the same way, if you are taking sum of the cubes of the first n natural numbers, I'm going to same way prove करना है, but you can do it the same way, but identity, what identity can be taken here, I'm going to give it to you. So these three things you need to remember. Sum of the cubes of first n natural numbers. Sum of the cubes of first n natural numbers. So what is that one here? 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus and so on, n cube. This is equals to. In the same way, if you are substituting here, you need to prove this one. This is represented by sigma n cube से represent करें. इसको prove करने के लिए you need to consider an identity k plus 1 whole to the power of 4 minus k to the power of 4, which is equals to final में क्या आएगा? क्यूब में आ जाए, समथिंग क्यूब, सम नंबर इनटू क्यूब. इसको एक्सपेंड कर ले तो k plus 1 whole to the power of 4 को क्यूब में आ जाएगा. आई एम नॉट डूइंग दैट वन हियर. समझ में आ रहे हैं? सो ये एक आइडेंटिटी आएगा, सम नंबर इनटू k क्यूब, सम नंबर इनटू k स्क्वायर, सम नंबर इनटू k, सम नंबर इनटू 1, सम कांस्टेंट. लाइक दैट वी आर डूइंग. एंड k इक्वल टू 1 सब्स्टिट्यूट कर लो. 1 सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दे तो 2 पावर 4 minus. So here k values go on substituting. K value 1 substitute कर लिया तो 2 power 4 minus 1 power 4. K value 2 substitute कर लिया तो 3 power 4 minus 2 power 4. ये दोबारा कैंसिल हो जाएगा. इसमें क्या बचेगा? 1 power 4 लास्ट में बचेगा. 1 onwards if you are going on substitute. एंड लास्ट में क्या बचेगा हमको? ऐसे सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दिए तो n plus 1 whole to the power of 4 minus n power 4. So ये n power 4 कैंसिल हो जाएगा. n plus 1 whole to the power of 4 बचेगा. So like that, if same way prove कर लिया तो the final result we are going to get it as is equals to n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4, or you can write it as a n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square, or you can write it as a sigma n whole square. Sum of the cubes of the. सर क्यूब्स को स्क्वायर कैसे आया? ये डाउट बहुत ज्यादा लोगों को होता है. इसमें एक क्वेश्चन पूछता, सपोज इफ 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on till the 100 is equals to p, then 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus and so on 100 cube is equals to dash. p cube है, p square है, p square है, because sum of the cubes is equals to sigma n whole square, because we are going to get n square n plus 1 whole square by 4. तो ये पूरा this is what here, this is sigma 100. sigma 100 value is equals to p level. तो sigma 100 whole square होगा. So that is nothing but the value will be equal to p square. Simple objective type of question can be framed based on that. And इसको prove करने के लिए the identity, that same identity can be taken into consider and उसको simplify करना है. Simplification process as we have simplified in the previous way. This is also little bit lengthy process है to simplify it. So based on this, we are going to have the different series and different series sum to the different series to find out.